Welcome to our video on navigating wage garnishment issues. In this video, will be your guide to understanding and resolving common problems related with wage garnishments. We'll cover real-world scenarios and provide steps to resolve these issues effectively. Here's a quick overview of what we'll cover today. We'll begin by introducing wage garnishment and its implications. Next, we'll discuss common problems people encounter and provide practical solutions. We'll also touch on legal considerations and end with tips on how to prevent future issues. Let's dive into our first problem. Have you ever settled a debt only to find that your wages are still being garnished? We will discuss why this common issue arises and how you can effectively tackle it. Here are the steps to resolve unpaid garnishment issues. First, gather all relevant documents, including proof of payment and any garnishment orders. Contact your employer to confirm whether the payment was sent to the debt collector. If your employer confirms sending it, reach out to the debt collector with the documentation. In cases where neither party resolves the issue, consider seeking legal counsel to explore options like filing a formal complaint or lawsuit. What is the first step to take if your wages are still garnished after debt payment? Here are the options. A. Contact your employer. B. Gather documentation. C. See a lawyer. D. Do nothing. You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is to gather documentation. This is the first step because having all necessary documentation of the payment made will help clarify the situation for both your employer and the debt collector. Our next issue is wage garnishment while on active military duty. In certain situations, service members are legally protected from garnishment due to the Servicemembers Civil Relief Act, or SCRA. But what happens if you experience garnishment anyway? To address garnishment issues while on active duty, start by reviewing the Servicemembers Civil Relief Act, which outlines your rights and protections. Contact your employer with your active duty documentation to ensure they are aware. Next, communicate these points to the debt collector. If garnishments persist despite your valid claims, it is crucial to seek legal advice from an attorney who specializes in military law. They can offer further assistance and may take additional legal action to protect your rights. This pie chart illustrates the legal protections under the SCRA. A significant portion of service members may not be fully aware of the protections offered, but there is still a group that faces garnishment issues and an even smaller percentage that pursue legal action. Understanding your rights is essential in protecting yourself and taking the appropriate steps when these rights are violated. To wrap up, remember to gather all necessary documentation when facing unpaid garnishment issues. For service members, it's vital to understand and leverage the SCRA to your advantage. Be proactive in contacting employers and debt collectors. And certainly, don't hesitate to seek legal advice if you find these issues aren't resolved through standard channels. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of wage garnishment issues and resolutions. If you found the video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Your support means a lot and helps us bring you more valuable content. Drop a comment below with your thoughts or experiences. We'd love to hear from you.